How old do you have to be to work at Chick-fil-A? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how old you need to be if you want to work at Chick-fil-A, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're considering of becoming an employee on Chick-fil-A and now you would like to go ahead and work on it, and you might be figuring what are the age requirements, well, it's actually quite simple. If I just go to Google and then simply search for the age requirements, how old do you have to be, you can see at what ages does Chick-fil-A hire. Chick-fil-A typically hires teenagers 16 and older to serve their well-loved chickens to patrons. However, some states let younger applicants work a limited number of hours with a permit, and locations in these places may employ workers aged 14 or 15 as well. So if you're over 16 years of age, you actually don't have to worry about anything. You will be hired and you can just go ahead and apply for it. But if you're on some other regions, depending upon which region, they also hire 14 or 15 age groups. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.